celebration. Earth Day is famously known around, pretty sure a lot of continents and a lot of countries, but I'm not exactly sure on that. Earth Day is a wonderful day where you celebrate the Earth. It's an amazing holiday, and I feel like you can celebrate the Earth all year round, but Earth Day is that specific day where you really, I think, give thanks to the Earth. So in this video, it's kind of like a vlog and a nature video combined. We're just gonna spend some time outside, having a good old time in nature. And I'm just gonna talk about Earth Day, you know, on a voiceover. Is truly an amazing day, a day that really is so fun to celebrate. You don't really have to do a lot of celebrating on Earth Day. Just don't litter, please, on Earth Day or on any day in general. For Earth Day, we don't usually do much, but I try to clean up, and it's super fun. Earth Day is an amazing, amazing, amazing holiday because it really makes people think about the Earth, and people. On Thanksgiving, people are grateful, but I feel like people should be grateful on Earth Day too, and really all year round, but on Earth Day especially, for this amazing Earth, amazing planet, amazing trees, amazing frogs, amazing everything. Earth Day is just so beautiful and so nice, and yeah, I was just having a really good old time out here in nature. It was super fun, and I think I'm gonna take a break from the voiceover for now. did you know that the holiday Earth Day was created in 1970? That is a really weird, wacky, cool fact. I honestly thought it was like created not too long ago, but before 1970. So that's a pretty nice fact to know. But I really want to spend some time looking at nature too, because nature is also beautiful, and I also love nature. I have a huge passion for nature, so I think it would be really cool to, look at nature for a minute. So let's, do that. Okay, so that is the end of this video, and I really hope you enjoyed it. I really do. I really enjoyed being outside, and it was pretty nice. It was nice, and I enjoyed making this video for you guys. My shout out today does go to nature. This video is all about nature. It's all about Earth Day. I know I didn't really talk about what you can do for Earth Day. I might do that as next year's Earth Day video, who knows. But I enjoyed making this video for you. It was really fun, and I really enjoyed being outside. Yeah, and it was just super fun, and I really do hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and please stay tuned in for my future videos. Please subscribe. Bye guys.